I found 6 websites that can help you start making money quickly every day. Most of these websites don't require you to have any skills or experience before you join. In fact, this first website allows you to make money every month without doing any work at all. So the first site is called Honeygain, and they have an app that lets you make up to $184 a month without doing any work. People all over the world trust the company, and I use it myself. In essence, the website will pay you to let businesses use your internet. I guess you might find that strange, but bear with me while I explain. Installing the app on your computer, phone, tablet, or other smart device is the first step to making money. The app then uses your internet connection to get small bits of data from the web in the background. I know what some of you are thinking about how suspicious that sounds. At first, I thought the same thing. Honeygain, on the other hand, only uses your internet connection and doesn't look at any of your information. Your private information will never be looked at. To ensure security, the app never tries to get access to your device's memory, and only trusted organizations from around the world use the small amounts of data gathered from your internet connection for tasks like price comparison, web analytics, and other approved business procedures. I've already told you that doing this can earn you up to $184 a month. The best part is that all you have to do to use the app is put it on your phone or as many other devices as you want. The more devices the app is installed on, the more money you can make. Etsy.com comes in at number 2 on the list. Making and selling printables is a way to make money online that doesn't get nearly enough attention. In fact, printables are one of the most popular things to sell on sites like Etsy. Etsy is one of the largest e-commerce sites, and more than 400 million people visit it every month. Anyway, these printables include planners, calendars, wall art, and a lot more. Printables are a good and easy way to make money online because there are many free tools and resources you can use to get free graphics and designs to use in your printables, even if you are not an expert. This method is not only easy to set up, but it can also be a great way to make money while you sleep, since printables are digital goods. When someone buys something from you on Etsy, you don't have to do any more work to sell it. Instead, they're just buying a file from you, which in theory could be sold over and over again. Now, how much money you can make selling printables online depends on a number of factors. Just remember that some people do this and make a few $1,000s a year from it, while others make $1 million or more. How much money you make in the end will depend on how well you can find popular printables that people are willing to pay for. Then try to make as many of these printables as you can, because the more you have, the more people you will reach, and the more sales you will make. The third website on the list is usertesting.com, which is basically the king of the user testing or survey business. Usertesting.com pays you very well compared to other survey sites that give you low-quality surveys and only give you a few cents for each task you finish. Usertesting.com is used by the biggest companies in the world to learn important things about their products or services. These are companies that are willing to spend a lot of money to get real people's honest opinions. For example, a 5-minute survey would pay $10, a 20-minute survey would pay $30 to $120, and a 30-minute to 1-hour live video call would pay even more. You may be wondering what we will do on usertesting.com. Are we just taking polls? That's not entirely correct. Usertesting.com is a platform that, like other survey websites, measures usability and user experience. Essentially, you will test products such as applications, websites, and possibly even real physical items to ensure that the customer experience when using their goods is aligned with the brand's objectives. You will need a microphone and a stable internet connection if your device does not already have one. To get started, you'll need a PayPal account and a laptop or computer. First, go to usertesting.com to get started. Click the link that says Get Paid to Test, enter your email address, and then follow the on-screen instructions to get started. I think it's safe to say that it's nice to make a little extra money on the side while helping companies make better products and services that help people all over the world. Google Opinion Rewards is the 4th site on the list. We all know that doing surveys can be a good way to make some extra money, but let's be honest, most of these survey companies are scams, and you'll probably only get a few dollars for your time. What if I told you about a survey company that pays well and is totally legit but doesn't take my word for it? Believe the 2.8 million users who say it really works, and the fact that more than 50 million people have downloaded the app. If that isn't enough to convince you, Google made it. Keep in mind that Google is one of the largest companies in the world and pretty much runs the whole internet, so I think we can trust them when they say they will pay us. You just need to put the app on your phone and answer a few questions about yourself. After that, you'll start getting alerts when surveys are available. When you're done with the surveys, the money goes straight to your PayPal account. The best thing about all of this is that most surveys only take about a minute, so you can use it just about anywhere. You could do these surveys while waiting in line, in a classroom, or even on your break at work. Now, depending on the length and intricacy of the survey, each one will pay you between 25 cents and $20. Obviously, this won't replace your current job, but it is simple and will offer you some additional cash every day that you may use to cover some of your spendings. Appen.com is the fifth website on the list. Although it may be difficult to believe, major search engines like Google are not entirely automated by computer programs. In reality, someone organizes Google's dozens and dozens of search result pages in the back end. These people are known as search engine evaluators. Their job entails making educated judgments about websites, music videos, music in general, photographs, charts, and other data, as well as grading them for correctness, completeness, and other factors. The job requires no prior expertise or skills, and all you need to get started is a smartphone and a laptop or personal computer. Start by searching on Google.com, the Google app, and the Search Engine Evaluator. Click on this link once you've found it to go to this application page. You will have to put an app on your phone in order to do the tasks, and you will have to work at least 10 hours a week. So if you want to, you can choose the days you want to work. For example, 2 hours every weeknight for a total of 10 hours a week. You could even work more hours if you have the chance and want to. Still, you can make about $18 an hour by doing this. I would think this is a rather simple method to make decent money online, especially since you can choose your own hours and work whenever and wherever you would like. Pinterest.com is the last site on the list that you can use to make money online. People are very interested in this way to make money, but not many people are offering this service. Most likely, you've heard of Pinterest. It's very popular and has grown steadily since it started about 10 years ago. Pinterest is a popular tool that many businesses use to spread the word about themselves. Basically, almost every pin you see on Pinterest is probably some kind of advertisement, whether it's for a business, product, blog, article, or something else. Several companies use Pinterest a lot to get people to visit their websites. Furthermore, these businesses frequently outsource this labor to others, which may be quite profitable to begin with. To make money from this, you don't have to be an expert content creator or graphic designer. To create appealing pins, you can use dozens of pre-made Pinterest layouts from websites such as Elements.Envato.com and CreativeMarket.com. Many more templates can be found on websites such as Canva.com. Then, once you've found the templates or designs you want to offer, you can make gigs on sites like Fiverr and Upwork about making pins. If you list your service on websites like Upwork and Fiverr, you'll get both long-term clients who will keep paying you and a steady stream of new customers. When you're just starting out, though, it's common to make between $600 and a few $1,000s each month. However, if you've been doing this for a while and have a customer base, there should be no reason why you can't work from home and earn up to 5 figures per month. Still, if you like being creative and looking at things on Pinterest, this could be worth a try for you. Overall, anyone can do these tasks and use these websites to make thousands of dollars with a little work. I hope this video taught you something useful, and that's all there is to it. Before we leave, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll know when we post a new video on making money online or something new. There are ways to get out of debt and become financially free, and you can start right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't be afraid to leave a comment below if you have any questions or thoughts about it. Having said that, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the following video.